Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. I am your maths teacher Richa Singh. Let us study our chapter 3 of your book, that is addition. Let us see what are the new things this year in your book in the topic addition. The contents that we are going to study are concept of addition, addition without regrouping, addition with regrouping, rounding a number nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds. Our first topic is addition. So student, what is addition? Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. So here is a picture in which you can see 5 fingers on one hand plus 2 fingers on one hand when put together gives us 7. Similarly, 2 fingers on one hand and 2 fingers on the other hand when put together gives us 4. In the last, 4 fingers on one hand and 0 fingers on the other hand gives us 4. Similarly, in the diagram below you can see 2 bells plus 4 bells gives us 6 bells. The terms used in addition. You can see here we have added 2 numbers to get our answer. So the number that is added at first is known as first addend. The number that is added at second is known as second addend, and the answer that we get after adding the numbers is known as sum. Now we are going to study addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping. So students, first you should know the meaning of regrouping. Regrouping means carrying forward. So it is simple addition without regrouping means column addition of 3-digit number without regrouping. So let us see example where we have done simple addition without carrying forward the numbers. What will we get after adding 456 and 231? So to add them, first we have to write them in column. So we will write them in column according to their place value. 4 will go below 100, 5 will go below tens and 6 goes below ones. Similarly, 231, 2 will go below 100, 3 will go below tens and 1 will go below ones. Now our answer is 687. Now addition with regrouping. Here we are going to see column addition of 3-digit number with regrouping, that is with carrying forward. Let us see first the addition with regrouping ones. Here we take two numbers, for example 236 and 147. So first we put the number and their digits according to their place value. 2 goes below 100, 3 goes below tens, 6 goes below ones. Similarly, 1 goes below 100, 4 goes below tens and 7 goes below ones. So here we will see the addition with regrouping ones. What are the digits under ones? 6 and 7. When we add 6 and 7, we get 13 ones. As you all know, 13 ones mean 1 tens and 3 ones. So students, we will regroup and we will put 3 ones under ones column and 1 tens will go to the tens column. Now let us see another example to understand regrouping tens. Okay, now here we will add two numbers, that is 435 and 399. So again we will put the number according to the place value in the column. 4 goes below 100, 3 goes below tens and 5 goes below ones. Similarly, 3 goes below 100, 9 goes below 10 and 9 goes below ones. So here when we add the digits under tens, that is 3, 9 and 1, which was carried forward from the ones column after adding 5 and 9, will also be added here. So now when we add the digits under tens, that is 1 plus 3 plus 9, we get 13 tens. So student, what do you mean by 13 tens? 13 tens means 103 tens. So after regrouping, we get 103 tens. So 3 tens will be remain under tens column and 100 will be carried to the 100 column. And here we will get again 1 under 100 column. Now let us see other example to understand regrouping with hundreds. Here we are going to add two numbers 758 and 494. In this, we will write the number according to the place value in the column. 7 goes below 100, 5 goes below 10, 8 goes below 1. Similarly, 4 goes below 100, 9 goes below tens and 4 goes below ones. Now we will add the digit which are under ones, that is 8 plus 4 gives us 12. 1 carried to the tens, then 1 plus 5 plus 9, that will give us 15, and then 1 carried to the 100. Now we will add the digits which are under 100. 1 plus 7 plus 4. So here you will get the answer 12. 12 hundreds. So student, what do you mean by 12 hundreds? 12 hundreds after regrouping we will get 1000s and 200. So students, 200s will go below the hundreds column and 1000 will carry it forward to the thousands column. I hope you have understood the concept of regrouping in case of ones, in case of tens and in case of hundreds. Now we are going to study rounding a number. Okay, what is rounding off? Why do we do rounding off of a number? Rounding means making a number smaller or larger. Why do we do rounding off? We round off numbers to make our calculation or number simpler, shorter, easier to represent and use in any calculation. It makes the number less exact but simple to calculate. Okay, you can see in the drawing here, 12 is rounded down to 10, 34 is rounded down to 30, 27 is rounded up to 30 and 88 is rounded up to 90. So student, you all must be wondering how it is done. So let us see. We are going to study rounding up and down to the nearest 10 or 100. Rounding whole numbers to the nearest 10. So here are the rules which we use to round the numbers to the nearest 10. Look at the digit in the tens place and the digit in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is greater than or equal to 5, then round up. Add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Change the digit in the ones place to 0. If the digit in ones place is less than 5, then round down. Leave the digit in the tens place as it is. Change the digit in the ones place to 0. Rounding whole number to nearest 10, let us take example. First, be clear with the rule. If the digit in the ones place is less than 5, then round down. Leave the digit in the tens place as it is. Change the digit in the ones place to 0. So here we have to round 63 to the nearest 10. 63, when rounded down, what it will become? So student, look at the digit in the tens place. Okay. Now you will see the digit at the ones place is 3, which is less than 5. So first you will do, leave the digit at the tens place as it is, that is, you will write 6. Now you will change the digit in the ones place to 0, that is 60. Now if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, then round up. Add 1 to the digit at tens place. Change the digit in ones place to 0. Now here is the example. We have to round 68 to the nearest tens. So student, the digit at ones place is 8, which is more than 5. So we will add 1 to the digit at tens place, which becomes 7, and the digit at ones place will become 0. Now rounding whole number to nearest 100. Here are the rules regarding how to round off a number to nearest 100. First, look at the digit at hundreds place and the digit at tens place. Second, if the digit at tens place is greater than or equal to 5, then round up. Third, add 1 to the digit in hundreds place. Change the digit in ones and tens place to 0. Fourth, if the digit at tens place is less than 5, then round down. 5. Leave the digit at hundreds place as it is. Change the digit at ones place and tens place to 0. Now let us see if the digit at tens place is 5 or greater than 5. Then we will round up. Add 1 to the digit in hundreds place. Change the digit in ones and tens place to 0. So here is an example. We have to round 185 to the nearest 100. So student, the digit which is at hundreds place is 1 and the digit which is at tens place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the digit at hundreds place, it becomes 0, and the digit at tens place and ones place will become 0, 0. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then round down. Leave the digit at hundreds place as it is. Change the digit at ones and tens place to 0. Here is an example. We have to round 129 to the nearest hundreds. When 129 is rounded off, it becomes hundreds. Let us see how. The digit at 100 place is 1 and the digit at tens place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So we will write 1 as it is, and the digit at tens and ones place will become 0, 0. And we got the answer 100. So student, here is your activity which you have to do in your rough copy. Here are two activities. One is addition and the second is rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. Thank you.